you have a really cool outdoor space, this is what I would do, and this works really well. And again, it's not necessarily about selling the home, it's about inviting people there. So again, you can go to Costco, and for like $15, you can get like 627,000 hot dogs and buns, and you can go there and like, hey, now I can change my invite to say, hey, I invite you to the open house, come check it. But even if you're not interested, you know, come down, grab a hot dog, a drink. If you really want people to show up, buy a case of beer, have a couple cold beers. I promise you, people love it, especially if you do it for real estate agents. They'll all show up. If you do a brokered open house and have any kind of liquor, alcohol, or beer, all of them are coming. I don't even care how far away it is. They'll drive to Raleigh. Free beer, I'll drive to Raleigh. But simple little thing, doesn't cost you that much. Obviously, if you're going to use the owner's equipment, their grill and all that, get their permission, right? Because people are weird about their grill. I didn't say you could use my freaking, Blackstone. To heck, it's got freaking hot dog juice all over this thing. We're vegetarians. The only thing we cook on this is vegetables, and you got Costco hot dog juice everywhere. All right, no, get permission or take your own.